Comparing Indian steel companies with their global peers. Analysis of peers in the foreign market and domestic steel market. Steel companies face intense competition from domestic as well as international players. The prices of steel across all the countries are linked to international benchmarked prices, therefore, are significantly influenced by foreign exchange fluctuations. Many large economies like China, Japan, and South Korea have a surplus steel manufacturing capacity. As a result, companies in these countries have to export to other nations in order to grow and at times to survive. This creates strong competition for Indian steel players from low cost imports. At times, steel is imported at less than the cost of production, which leads to the imposition of anti dumping duties by countries. However, all the steel players face significant regulatory risk due to frequent policy measures taken by the countries to interfere in steel markets like tariff, anti dumping duties, export incentives, etc. Any change in regulations related to land acquisition, mining, and environmental norms affects steel producers significantly. Introduction to foreign and domestic steel companies. China Baowu Steel Group Corporation Limited. This company is a state owned steel company in China. It was established in December 2016 through the merger of Bao Steel Group Corporation and Wuhan Iron and Steel Group Corporation, two of the China's largest steel makers. China Baowu Steel has its headquarters in Shanghai, China, and is the largest steel producer in China and one of the largest in the world with capacity of 120 million tons. The company has a wide range of products including hot rolled steel, cold rolled steel, galvanized steel, and high value added products. China Baowu Steel has a strong presence in many industries including automotive, construction, energy, and machinery. The position of China Baowu Steel Group Corporation Limited stands as one of the world's largest and most successful steel producers. Arcelor Mittal is a multinational steel manufacturing corporation with headquarters in Luxembourg. The company was formed in 2006 through the merger of Arcelor and Mittal Steel, creating the world's largest steel producer. ArcelorMittal is a diversified steel producer with operations in over 60 countries and an annual steel production capacity of approximately 90 million tons. The company produces a wide range of steel products, including flat and long steel products such as sheets, plates, wire rods, and bars, as well as value added steel products such as electrical steel, pipes and tubes, and automotive steel. Overall, the company is a major player in the global steel industry with a strong focus on innovation, sustainability, and responsible corporate citizenship. Nippon Steel Corporation. This is a Japanese steel manufacturing company that was formed in 2012 through a merger of Nippon Steel Corporation and Sumitomo Metal Industries Limited. The company is headquartered in Tokyo, Japan, and is one of the largest steel producers in the world with the operation in Japan, Asia, the Americas, and Europe. According to Nippon Steel Corporation's 2021 annual report, the company produced a total of 38.1 million tons. It produces a wide range of steel products, including flat steel, long steel, and steel pipes and tubes, which are used in various industries such as automotive, construction, and energy. The company also produces a range of high end steel products, including specialty steel, electrical steel, and high strength steel. Overall, Nippon Steel Corporation is a leading steel manufacturer with a strong global presence and a commitment to innovation and sustainability. Company analysis of Tata Steel Limited, JSW Steel Limited, and Steel Authority of India Limited is covered separately in other video at India Business Insights channel, the link of which is in the description box below. Jindal Steel and Power Limited, JSPL. JSPL is an Indian steel making company with its headquarters in New Delhi. It is part of the Jindal Group, which is a diversified business conglomerate in India. JSPL operates an integrated steel plant in Raigad, Chhattisgarh, which has a production capacity of around 7 million tons per annum MTPA as of 2021. The Raigad plant produces a range of steel products including rails, plates, coils, and angles, which are used in various industries including construction, infrastructure, and power. JSPL is also involved in the production of sponge iron, which is used as the raw material in the production of steel. The company operates several sponge iron plants in India with a combined production capacity of around 3.5 MTPA. Factors in international competitiveness. International competitiveness refers to the ability of a country or a region to produce and sell goods and services in the global marketplace. The production factors, capital, labor, and raw materials are combined in various ways through technology to produce steel. The primary raw materials used in the steel production are iron ore and metallurgical coal. Countries with abundant and high quality reserves of iron ore and coal tends to have competitive advantage in steel production. Capital investments can include building new steel mills or upgrading existing facilities with new technology. Countries or companies that make significant capital investments can achieve economies of scale, improve efficiency, and reduce costs, can increase their competitiveness in the global market. Countries with lower production costs can produce steel at a lower cost, giving them a competitive advantage in the global market. For example, India and China have relatively low production costs, which has helped become major players in the global steel industry. Larger plants can take advantage of bulk purchasing of raw materials and energy as well as more efficient use of labor and capital. This can help them produce steel more cost effectively and provide a competitive advantage over smaller plants. These factors are interrelated, and improvements in one area can help have a positive impact on other areas, ultimately leading to greater international competitiveness. Competitive advantage of major foreign and domestic steel companies. China Baowu Steel Group Corporation Limited. Some of the key competitive advantage of China Baowu Steel Group Corporation Limited are of scale. This scale allows the company to achieve economies of scale and leverage its purchasing power to obtain raw materials and equipments at a lower cost. One of the major competitive advantage of this company is that it enjoys strong support from the Chinese government, which provides the company with various benefits such as access to low financing costs, preferential policies, and other incentives. Overall, the vertical integration, advanced technology, heavy investments in research and development, diversified product portfolio, and experienced management team are added advantage in making of China Baowu Steel Group Corporation as the largest steel producer in the world. Arcelor Mittal. The key competitive advantages of this company are its global reach and scale. The company has a large and geographically diverse production base, which allows it to serve customers in a wide range of industries and regions. Arcelor Mittal has also invested heavily in research and development and has adopted advanced technologies and processes to improve the efficiency and quality of its operations. Another competitive advantage of this company is its vertical integration. The company is involved in all aspects of steel production process, from mining and processing of raw materials to the production of finished steel products. This allows the company to optimize its operations for efficiency and cost effectiveness to control the entire value chain. Nippon Steel Corporation. Nippon Steel Corporation invests heavily in research and development and has developed advanced technologies for steel production, including high strength steel and corrosion resistant steel. These products are in high demand from the automotive, construction, and energy industries. Apart from that, the company has implemented advanced production techniques such as continuous casting and high tech rolling mills. In general, Nippon Steel Corporation's competitive advantage is based on its investment in technology, production efficiency, diversified product portfolio, global presence, and commitment to environmental sustainability. Tata Steel Group. Tata Steel Group offers a wide range of products, including automotive steel, construction steel, and specialty steel products. This diversified product portfolio enables the company to cater to different customer needs and respond to changing market demands. The Tata brand is highly respected and recognized for its commitment to quality and ethical business practices. The Tata Steel brand is known for its high quality products and customer service, which provides a competitive advantage in the steel industry. Steel Authority India Limited. The advantage of SAIL is that it is fully integrated. It has full control over the entire steel making process, from mining and raw material production to finished product manufacturing. It has a strong distribution network with presence in over 70 countries. The domestic market of India that sales cater is the second largest consumer in the world, with high demand of diversified steel products. Thus, this factor enables SAIL to stay ahead of its competitors and provide customers with better products and services. JSW Steel Limited. JSW Steel is a vertically integrated steel company, as it has full control over the entire value chain, from raw material production to finished product manufacturing. This integration allows the company to optimize production efficiency, reduce costs, and maintain product quality. The JSW Steel has state of the art manufacturing facilities that are equipped with modern technology and equipment. These competitive advantages have helped JSW Steel maintain its position as a major steel producer in the country and globally. Jindal Steel and Power Limited. The competitive advantage of JSPL is the implementation of its several cost-saving measures in its operations, such as using renewable energy sources and implementing efficient production processes. This enables the company to produce steel at a lower cost, making it more competitive in the market. Financial performance of foreign and domestic steel companies. The financial performance of domestic steel industry is somewhat difficult to compare with that in other nations because of the significantly different economic settings in which foreign steel firms operate. The principal difference is that many foreign steel firms are at least partly owned and or controlled by their governments. Total production. The total production was affected for almost all the companies in the year 2020 and 2021 due to the impact of COVID-19 pandemic. Despite the pandemic-wide situation, Indian steel companies have done better than its global peers as a result of high demand and government initiative. Revenue. Large steel players have a lot of advantages in the industry, considering the benefit enjoyed by low cost producers, economies of scale, and higher bargaining power help them to survive cyclical downturns better. Due to their financial strength, they are able to acquire smaller, troubled players and increase their business strength further. As a result, steel industries in India as well as abroad have witnessed increasing consolidation. Net profit. The steel companies across the globe had suffered sharp decrease in the net income during the COVID pandemic as a result of disruption in supply chain. The steel companies facing disruption in transportation, logistics, and raw material availability. This led to increased costs for steel companies and impacted their profitability. Net profit margin. The Indian steel companies have a better net profit margin compared to their global peers as a result of low production costs, efficient operations, and diversification in product ranges. The suppliers of steel plants, iron ore, and coal mining operators are large government owned companies without oligopoly. Therefore, the profitability of steel players is always under stress. Total long term debt. Conclusion. In the future, drastic shifts in society will be forcing companies to adapt to new industrial standards, tackling problems of the modern era. The metal industry faces great pressure to transform from an environmental, political, and cultural perspective. This pressure will continue until major action is taken. In 2021, it was estimated that around 7% of global greenhouse gas emissions resulted from the steel industry. Reductions of these emissions are expected to come from the shift in the main production route using cokes, more recycling of steel, application of carbon capture and storage. Steel is one of the most recycled materials with recycling rate of over 60% globally. The global demand for steel is projected to increase by more than a third till 2050. By 2050, almost one-fifth of the steel produced globally is expected to come from India compared to around 5% today. The factors that point to the growth in the future for Indian steel industry are increasing populations and prosperity, a proven commitment to economic reforms, increase in demand as heavy capital expenditure in line and supportive policy environment by government. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and never miss out any video.